Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 17 4th Street in St Monans. This is a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-reception terraced townhouse. It is absolutely gorgeous inside and it sits right on the Fife Coastal Path right behind me here. Let me show you how close it is to the beach and the harbour and everything else round about you. And I'll talk about that more at the end as well. Here we are right down here. So Fife Coastal Path runs up here and you've got the harbour just down at the bottom. And then on to over to the beach and the kirk and everything like that. And then just at the top of this road as well, you've got up to the primary school. You can go up to the football facilities as well up there, the play park and everything that's got in there. Round the corner on Rose Street, you get access into the open water tidal pool and along to the salt pans as well. This is the property in question, as you can see right here on the 3 levels. And I'll take you on the tour right now. So immediately as I walk in the door, the thing I love about this the most, as soon as you look to your left hand side, and I'll talk about this a wee bit more, you've got that beautiful seating area in there, a nice reception area. We're going to go up to the upstairs first and walk up there, and we'll come back down here in a minute. Off to my left hand side immediately, we've got a WC downstairs, we've got the sink and the WC round there. You have got a doorway that goes out to the rear there, however, you can get access off the patio doors from the kitchen. Now, I like these finishings, like the chrome ballast rail going up in here. And then as we go into the first floor, we have got the sitting room and we've got a double bedroom up here as well. So real good sized sitting room up here. You can see that ornate cornice that goes round there. Now, the great thing about this is double glazed sash and case window to the front. You've even got shutters on the front as well that are still working. Love that ceiling rose. And then a fireplace, gas fire in there. Machine engineered timber flooring. That's what I like about it as well. So really finished a real good standard here. And just as we look further round, this could be the perfect family home for someone. And to here. Now we're starting to see partial views there. And see how close the sea is in proximity to everything else. I can see the Berwick Law there as well. You can see over the water and Berwick itself. Now, I love these solid wood doors. Beautiful. Across into the first bedroom, double bedroom downstairs. Again, they've got the shutters on the windows. And you've got inbuilt storage. You've got a wardrobe built into there. Perfect. Good size double bedroom there. Now, let's go up to the second floor top. 2 bedrooms up here, the bathroom's up here as well. We'll just nip off to the left hand side just now. You can see the bathroom in there. So a good sized bath, you've got a thermostatic shower over there as well. And then you've got a sink at the rear there, inset into that vanity worktop. Okay, good sized single bedroom in here. As you can see, I'd be tempted, you'd probably even get a double bed right across here, to be honest. Gives you a bit of perspective about the size. And then we'll get this sneak peek at the back garden. Look at that elevated back garden. Literally sits in the sun all day long. And then off into the final double bedroom to the front. As you'll see, real good size. Cupboards either side, access to the eaves for storage. And then again, you're starting to see these views right across there. I can just see the tip of the May Isle right there. And as we come all the way around, and then you could begin to see a lot more in here. Berwick Law, as I said, right over there. And I could see the outline of some of the turbines over there. That's how clear it is. But double glazed sash and case window to the front, perfect. Exactly what you probably need in here. Okay, that's us upstairs. I'll see you downstairs. What I love most about downstairs is this seating area, as I said when I came in, this perfect second reception area. Again, you've got the double glazed sash and case window to the front, and you've got the cupboard for storage, and then you pan round here. Place for dining as well. Now you could make that bigger if you want and take this away, but it's a perfect seating area. And you've got the log burner there, so it's nice and cosy on these winter nights. This is going to be toasty in here. I could just see that. Wee glass of whiskey, glass of wine. Contemplating the world. It's friends and family round. And then you've got your kitchen off to the rear here. A real good sized kitchen area. Now, there's space for a dishwasher. There's also in that cupboard there, double cupboard across to the back there, you've got a washing machine and a dryer that you can get in there as well. You've got your sink, and then you've got your oven, hob and extractor. Fridge in here as well, inbuilt, so integrated fridge. But a beautiful kitchen either side. So perfect for here. And as we come back, I'll just let you see this as we're coming back. That's a nice wee Instagram moment, isn't it? And then off to the rear. So out these patio doors to the rear. Now the great thing about this garden, and you could basically be sitting in the sun all day long at some point in time. Right down here is perfect for first thing in the morning, or probably just to keep away from the elements. Now and again, great high walls around here for privacy and also to keep the elements away. And then as well, this could be perfect. Probably that's why they've got that sun blind up the top there, because it comes on towards the evening right down into here. Now, another bonus for here, you've got a workshop studio out the rear, as well as this beautiful patio area for seating and also for drying. You've got this workshop area out to the rear and a studio. So workshop area there, you've got your studio in there, and potentially it could be a home office. It could be the perfect home office for you. So let's go up the back in this elevated split level garden. Various bits of decking here. Perfect seating areas to take advantage of the sun. I'll talk about that a wee bit when I get to the very top. But you're starting to see the advantages of sitting here. Now you can just see across the horizon there, the first to fourth, across that rooftop there. But as we go further up onto this area, you get to see a lot more. Perfect seating area, probably perfect dining area on a beautiful day. I think every day is a beautiful day in East Neuk. I don't think there's a day it isn't. Doesn't matter what the weather's like, it's still beautiful. Welcome to God's country, people. So you can see, we're sitting around about 11:45 right now. The sun is just coming through the clouds just over there. As you can see the rays coming through. So that's about south facing right there. So literally from 10 o'clock in the morning, the sun's up here, goes all the way around here, all the way around. Yep, even more sun. I mean, you can't get enough sun. About 8 o'clock it starts to disappear onto this bit, and that's where it comes out at that bit. Perfect, absolutely perfect. What more could you ask for? Let me talk about the area for people that don't know. Okay, so we'd mentioned the Fife Coastal Path out the front there, and how it goes round to the salt pans, the windmill and the salt pans. Very historic, where salt first made here. And then you've got right next to that, you've got the St Monans tidal pool. Now, restaurants and bistros. We've got the East Pier Smokehouse, we've got the Craigmillar Seafood Restaurant, we've got the Giddigannock Cafe. Up the top of the road, you've got the Muffin Man Cafe as well. And the cakes are beautiful. Across the road, you've got the mini market, Premier Store mini market, next door at the hairdressers. You've got Salt Dining up there as well at the Bassrock Business Park, and then you've got Walk and Spice at the very top of the road, which is the takeaway. So ideal. You've got everything on your doorstep here, lifestyle wise. Where are we in proximity to everything else? Well, as I said before, top of the road you've got the play park, and you've got where the St Monans football team train as well. A great local primary school here. You've also your 3 miles just outside Ely, so Ely's very historic as well, and you can walk back easily into Erie along the Fife Coastal Path, see Newark Castle, and you'll see the old kirk there as well. Back onto Pitt and Weem, you can go across to Pitt and Weem and then onto Anstruther, which is the main shopping facilities, has the big co-op supermarket. It also has the high school as well, Wade Academy High School. You're about 11 miles across the hill towards St Andrews as well. You've got the best of everything in here, and that's why I said, no wonder it's welcome to God's country. Very idyllic location, perfect family life. If you're sitting in the city right now, you could be here right now. You could have the lifestyle, you could have it all, and you could be working remotely from home. Okay, let me talk about more details. You've got a link above or below here. You can click on that for more details to find out more about this property. If you need to contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01333 421 774. And until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.